to be a tester for the new Lipo formula, and I was sceptical. But wow, when I was applying it, I could already feel this was game changer. My skin's elasticity improved dramatically. I lost inches. When I put the before and afters next to one another, I couldn't quite believe them. So I'm dead excited for everybody to get their hands on this product.
We are very excited to bring you these presentations of our brand new formulation of Lipo Fluid. Not just newly formulated, but newly proven results.
Yeah, because having lipo at home, it does sound too good to be true, right? We understand the skeptics. So this is why we have brought you clinically proven results so that you can be assured of the technology. So before we get into results, let's look at how lipo works. So Lipo Fluid, as the name suggests, uses lipolysis-inspired technology to provide real inch loss and skin tightening without surgery. Tested in an independent clinical test centre, the results were astounding. Proven inch loss in the hip area, proven inch loss on the thighs, proven to flatten the stomach, proven to reduce cellulite, proven to remodel the thighs, proven to firm the buttocks, stomach and thigh area, and we've saved the best till last. Proven to reduce localized fat.
I've just tried Acti's new lipo lotion and I am in shock.
The lipo results after just 45 minutes have left me completely shocked and surprised, gobsmacked even.
And I can't believe it. I have actually seen it in the mirror and it looks amazing. So, awesome.
I was so shocked. Absolutely love it! And the most inches I've lost was in my hip area, which is a place I'm really self-conscious about.
I used the new Acti-Labs lipo lotion on the fat below my knee, and after just 45 minutes it was much tighter and I'd actually lost inches and I was amazed by it.
New lipo lotion, amazing!
I don't know what this magic is, but I want more of it now.